I'm happy to be here. I'm I'm showing all. I'm a bit nervous. Please excuse me. I hope it is fine. But yeah, I'm going to show you the challenge journey. It is a challenge where you need to go from all the way to the top of the world to all the way to the bottom of the world in one cycle. Cycle, I just play and start the game. There's an in-game timer, so technically you can start now. Alright, the timer is ticking. Alright. So first of all, I need to get out of the starting area. This is simple for me. The first goal I have is to grab 5 fruits. For this I need to go out of this room. And I'm leaving the tutorial area. Going to the right. I can go to the right tunnel, but I don't need there. Is some food, but there's more food over here. Right there. There are juicy blue fruits I can eat. I hope I can't find a single rock in this room. This is a bit of a problem. Oh, there was a book. But there are tasty beds in this room, so I completely find... grab one. And I'm out of here. Over here there is a shelter. In a shelter I need to go to sleep. And sleep is important. Because if I'm going to sleep, I get karma. If I'm going to die, I lose karma. Karma is important to go through the karma gate. The karma gate is technically a spot between 2 regions where I need to go. And right now I'm doing a trick. The name of this trick is karma caching. You don't need to fully eat to sleep. You can starve, but starving is not good, so I'm quickly going to reset. And this way I keep the higher karma, but I'm not starving anymore. Don't starve. Starving is not good. So I'm waiting. I'm on karma 3. This is enough for me, and my next goal is to reach a region named Chimney Canopy. There's a green lizard. I'm quickly jumping over him, and I'm out of here. Whoops. So sometimes in this room there is a pink lizard, but not today. Lucky for me, this pink lizard is a bit annoying. Whoopsie. So, and right now this is a karma gate. The door behind me is closed. And now I can go through this gate. And I'm in industrial. Sadly, there is a skip, but for the skip I need a stone, a spear. It saved round about 5 seconds, maybe more. Whoops, jumping through the skip. There are more tasty fruits on the right side, but I don't need it. And there are some lizards. I hope this purple one didn't see me. Didn't see me. I punched him anyways, and I'm out of here. There's a spear. I like to take the spear. But there are more spears. There are many lizards. And this lizard is gone. Never see you again. There's a white lizard. Oh, this is scary. The white lizard is gone. So many lizards today. So, in a short time I managed to go to Chimney Canopy. There's a vulture. I don't like vultures, but we see this creature in a short moment again. So, the first goal is just going up. After I'm going up, there's my second goal. I need one berry. Whoopsie. I slipped away. Destroying the jump key. Whoops. And there's the third gate. Third gate? Second gate. So, this is the gate to Chimney Canopy. In Chimney Canopy I need to do two things, because I need a special item to make the challenge easier and doable, let me say. Without this item I don't want to do it. The first thing is I need a little creature, it names Vulture Grub. I can tell you later what this little creature is doing for me. But on the left side, that is a little jumpy bug. It can do nearly nothing. But it is tasty if this is dead. And lucky for me, there are two dead one and one living one. So I eat it, and I'm going to swallow it. Don't worry, it is completely fine and normal. I can put him later out of my belly. So. In this region I need to do what I'm always doing, it's going up. It is technically the only up challenge at the moment. Jumping through the gap, there is a purple lizard, there are some purple lizards. Oh! This is not good. He's immediately eating me and I have to reset. But it's not a problem. There's not much time lost. Sometimes it happens. If you get bitten by a lizard, there is a chance you survive this. And if this is the case, you can protect yourself. These creatures I don't like. Sometimes they are really annoying. Lucky for me, they don't seem really hostile. There's a lizard. This is a problem because this lizard is camping on a bad position. Whoop! And I'm and this lizard is gone. So going up, more to the right. I really need a stone. Do I grab the stone? Of course I grab the stone because there's a stone. So, and there's a funny trick in this room when there's not a lizard. Can I try it again? This lizard is gone. If you press 4 buttons at the same time, you can, for some reason, fling a little bit up. And there are 2 creatures in this room. This is terrible. But they are ignoring me. The vultures are going for the lizards. poor little guy. Get completely bullied. Lucky for me, I can keep going without any problems. I don't know if I have enough food. Do I have enough food? I don't have enough food, so technically I need to eat these beds on the right side. And there's a lizard. Is this lizard going for me? Yes, yes, and he's gone. Okay, maybe not gone. Now there's a vulture. The good thing about the slug kit, I really need to grab some food, but with these creatures in my way, it is not easy. I managed to grab a bed fly. I need 2 more things to eat. This vulture is camping. So I'm going a bit back and grab these 2 fruits on the left side. So with these 2 fruits I can sleep again. The problem is I died once. So I need at least 1 more bed to sleep. No. Okay. Another thing I need to do is enter this room. If I enter this room, there's a funny flashy light. If this is the case, I can leave and never enter it again. On my way to the left, I grab a bed fly. And I hope I don't die. These gaps are a bit scary at first, but they are simple if you know how to pass them. So. Right here, there's a gate, but I don't need to use the gate. I need to use the shelter again. Quickly eating the bed, so I have 1 more food. And now the funny thing's going to start. First of all, I need 1 more karma. I'm on karma level 4 at the moment. I need karma level 5 for this is working. So, and for farming some karma, I need to starve. But what I say earlier, don't starve. Stay hydrated and eat enough. And this is why I'm resetting the game again. So, I'm on karma level 5. This is good because now I can do funny things. With this creature, it shoots a laser into the air. And if this is the case, it's calling a vulture. But because oh, there's the first one. Because I enter the room with the funny flashy light, these creatures are completely broken. Technically, I broke the AI. And this is how I can easily step and kill them. Oh, 1 more spear. Oh, and this creature is dead. So, when this creature is dead, I can easily step the face, and I can grab a vulture mask. Why do I need this vulture mask? It is simple. With a vulture mask, I can simply ignore the lizards for a short time. The reason is because vultures are going to eat lizards, and this is the reason why normally lizards are running away. And because I have the mask of a vulture, the lizards thinking I am a vulture, and this is the reason why they are running away from me. But only for a short moment. After some seconds, the lizards realize I'm a tasty little slughead, and they're still going and try to eat me. So this is not really the last gate, but I'm on the way to the wall, the Great Wall. By the way, I eat the stone. What? Safety stone. Don't mind. I like stones. Stones are always a good thing. If you have a stone, You are fine. So grabbing the spear on the way to the left, and now it's the time to go even more up. So I don't eat any food. There is some food on the way, but I don't grab it. Crawling through this tunnel. And there is, in this region, there's a funny creature. Maybe I see him. It is not in this room. So maybe I can't show this creature to you. This is a bit sad. Oh, and there was a blue lizard on the left side who falling to the ground. I don't like it that I can't see the creature at the moment. Maybe this creature is already dead. Maybe this creature is in an unfortunate spot where I can't see it and he's going to kill me. It's not even here. Where is it? So, but in this room there is a skip. This skip is called the orb skip because on the left side, where this orange lizard, where you can see the orange lizard, there's the orb. Unfortunately, I don't have a second spear. I see a spear on the left side where this orange lizard is crawling around. I quickly grab the spear. There's the orb. I don't like this orb, so I'm going to leave this orb. When I go through the orb, I have to deal with 4 lizards, but with this little skip and 2 spears. You can technically do it with only 1 spear, but I'm not good enough. Okay, and the safety stone is coming to work because I can't find a stone here, so I'm using the safety stone to press 4 buttons again at the same time, and I'm flinging myself up. In the next room there are some white lizard, but lucky for me I have the mask of a vulture, and immediately they're going to see me, they are running away. Like this. I can stab this guy. He's injured. Don't worry, no lizard get injured in this one. These are all, everything you see, these are all stunt lizards. They are trained for this specific moment. There are some tasty fruits. I grab one because when I'm not going to grab it, this fruit is in my way. So this is why I throw it away. Whoopsie. You are scared, you have to leave. Leave me alone. And I'm fast enough to get away. So going up, there's a spear. I like a spear. Ah, I have it. Sometimes in these little tunnels where I am right now, there is a white lizard, if this is the case. This is not a good position, let me say. You have a hard time. Sometimes you get grabbed by a lizard even with a mask. After destroying my jump key again, I managed to get all the way up, and as you can see, I'm already above the clouds. This means over here there is no rain. Yes, the cycle is running out of time. There's no rain. It's getting dark. And if this is getting dark, there are some creatures, like spiders. I don't like spiders. So this is why I don't waste much time.
And have time for 2 donations.
Yeah, of course.
We have 52 donation by Reg with a comment. Let's go, Syrilth. And we have a 24 donation from Zombie Knight with a no comment. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the donations. So, but at the moment I managed to get on the highest spot in this world. Not really the highest spot, but I'm pretty high at the moment. I only need to go to the right side. Whoops, I dropped my mask. Oh, this is not good. I just want to grab the stone. So there is a huge construct on top of this building. And in a short moment there's a gate. This is the last gate. I need to go. Right behind this gate, in the next room, there's a shelter. I'm going to sleep. After I'm sleeping, I visiting a friend. It is not really a friend, let me say. Not really, because many people is going to hate him. Because he's not really a good boy. But because before I going to him, we grabbing some popcorn. Make sure to have enough popcorn. I have enough popcorn. I'm going to sleep right now, and after this I'm grabbing. I say hello to 5 pebbles. Oh, yeah, this is happening when you're going to die. There are some cutscenes. This means I'm slow. So, leaving the mask behind. First of all, I need to go even higher. So what's happening right now? I'm not telling it to you because it's getting way too much into the lore of this game, and the lore is not simple, let me say. But as you can see, maybe one of you already realized it, but the gravity is changed. And over here, I'm floating. Why do I float? I'm not telling it you, but it is not simple to go down in no gravity. Okay. Slowly and steady. Whoop. So, grabbing this pole, going to the right, grabbing as much as I can to fling myself. There's not much I can throw. Yes. Whoop. It was too much, and there's 5 pebbles. Ooh, hello. Ooh. 5 pebbles gives me the mark of communication. This is a little dot above my head. I'm going to reset. Oopsie. And after I getting the mark of communications, I even take the mark of communication. It is important. It is not really important for this one, but it is important to actually finish the game. And this is the final cycle. In this cycle, I have to go from all the way to the up to all the way to the bottom of this world. So technically, I'm done with this challenge in 30 minutes. Everything is going well, let me say. There are some spots, especially at the end, where things can get terribly wrong. Jumping to the left. Technically, I have to backtrack all the way to the start and even further. Oopsie. So, some funny movement tricks to boost myself up. Whoopsie. Burning sometimes always important for good speedrun. And here we go. Time to go down. It is a bit scary sometimes because there is fall damage. There is fall damage. Fall damage is a thing in this game. And most of the time you're just losing your items in your hand and get stunned. But if you're going to fall for too long, there's a blue little lizard. Please leave me alone. You're scared? I have a mask. Thank you. These two can leave. There's a white lizard who's completely blocking me. I'm sliding away. Thank you. So going down is a bit faster than going up. Ooh, this was close. So this room, I don't know how much screen I give this room. Not much, I can tell you. So, and there is the bottom of the wall. And there's a funny creature I want to show you. I can't show you the funny creature at the moment. I can't show you the thing what makes this creature funny. Huh? I just realized normally I have key input display in the top left corner, but for some reason isn't there. This is strange, but this is not a problem. So, going more to the left. A funny creature. So this jump is a bit scary, but I managed to did it. There's a spear. I like the spear to throw it away. Whoop. And the spear is gone, but I found a new one, so this is not a problem. In this room there's a funny trick. You can just do this and completely skip this little gap. Jumping down, whoopsie. To skip this room, there's a vulture, but if you're fast enough, you can avoid him. Lucky for me, I did it. There's a second vulture for some reason. There are third vultures. Whew. Left, right, left, and I'm going away. Ooh. So there's so many lizards. Imagine I don't have the vulture mask. All the lizards are trying to eat me. And this is unfortunate. I'm losing the vulture mask, but I'm keep going. This is not good, let me say. This can end badly. And I hope it doesn't. Ooh, I'm scared. Without a mask, things can go terribly wrong very fast. And I don't even have a safety zone. This is not good. But I give my best. I have on the top left corner this symbol with the little dots. These little dots tells me how much time I have left. Left, right, and there are 3 creatures in this room. I don't like them. One is going to follow me. In this room it is really silence. Yes, is a green lizard. The green lizard's not a big problem. More of a problem are the white and the blue lizards. The white lizards especially, they can go invisible. I need to step. Please sleep and don't wake up again. Thank you. Ah. Okay. And there's the second lizard. Ah, so many lizards. Imagine I have a mask, I can completely ignore them all. But the game didn't allow me to have a mask. So, and I'm on a gate to outskirts, the starting area. So, whoops. So, this is the starting area. Instead of going right, I'm going left this time. And because I don't have a mask, I have a free inventory slot to grab a spear and a stone. The inventory in this game is, let me say, ooh, whoopsie. You don't have much inventory slots. So a mask is a strong item, but it takes an entire inventory slot. Whoop, there's a scary creature. It is right here. Ah. Whoopsie. I really like to grab the spear. The first half of this one is going up, the second half is going down. Whoops. Speaking of the stone, I have stone in my hand. I'm going to need it. Come, I need the stone. So, the next region where I am right now, there are some scary diving spots. Water-filled rooms where I have to dive. It is a bit scary, let me say. Sometimes, even if you new to this game, you're going to die. You're going to drown a lot of times. The diving mechanic is a bit weird. There are some nasty lizards. They're leaving me alone. And now I'm scared, because in the next room, sometimes there is a salamander lizard. I don't know where he is. I hope he's not over here. Of course he's over here, and he's grabbing me and even killing me. This is really bad. I'm losing a much of time. And I have to reset. This is... Oopsie. I lose something. This is not a problem. This is why I like to have a mask. With a mask, this is not the case. But this is not a problem. I was really good in time. Sometimes this lizard is in this pool. Sometimes it is just sitting in the corner. And what I said in the chat, he has some knowledge of this game, and he's completely right. When this lizard is in the spot, you can nearly do nothing. You can just hope and pray he's not grabbing you. But this time, I hope I don't lose the mask. Just keeping the mask, it is that simple. Oopsie. So. So, going to the left only to go down again. Oh, then I hitting my head on the ground. It is fine. At the end, I'm still slug. Oh, gee. At the end, I'm still slug. I don't have bones, so it is fine. Don't worry. There's the first lizard. Do I have to step him? Nope, he's leaving me alone. There's the blue lizard again in the same spot. With some white lizards. Oh, there's the funny creature. Avoiding the funny creature, grab the stone, and I'm out of here. Funny creature is not fun if this funny creature try to get you. Oopsie. Bit more to the left next time. Thank you. So this way you don't punching your head on the ground. So, and there is, let me say, the second gate again. So always eating stones. If you have a stone, go eat the stone. It is important. Sometimes. It is a safety zone. And I can tell you, I like safety zones. So. I hope there's something to throw. There's one single stone over here. Luckily for me, I don't mess up this time. Sometimes I'm going to mess up everything. Oopsie. But today it is a good day, let me say. Don't mess up this jump. And doing some funny tricks again. Whoops. And I'm out of here. So let me see. Sometimes there are... Oh. Leave me alone. I'm going left. This... We not talk about this. Oops. This was a bit scary and a bit too close. So... Hitting my head again. I can tell you, when I'm done with this challenge, my head is going to hurt. So I have a safety stone already in my belly, so I don't need to grab a stone. I'm fine with spear. And now I'm on my way to industry again. But this time I have my mask, so I can completely ignore nearly everything. There are some scavengers on the right side. Scavengers can get scary if they are scared of you. And if you have a weapon in a hostile world, you're going to use this weapon before the creature is going to kill you. This is why scavengers are always scary to encounter. Oh, there's nothing. Not even a single stone in this tunnel. Whoop. Do I grab? I grab a stone. Safety stone. A good old stone. Stone's getting never old. It is funny. Stones are simple objects in this game, but they have so much use. You can play with them, you can throw them, you can smack creatures and knock them out. And sometimes you get even killed by a stone. And don't ask how I managed to do it. It is a secret I never tell. Oh, this lizard don't want to leave. And this lizard is getting really scary for me. Whoop. Okay. Ignoring the green boy, there's a second pink lizard. I'm not good in time. I know it because the time on the left bottom corner is going to blinking. And I'm here again. This time with a mask. So this is not a problem. Whoopsie. Okay. I'm here again. In drainage system. Last time I can even show it on the map. There's X on the mark. The X marks the spot where I died. This time I'm not going to die again. The mask is changing everything. Okay. There's a funny little green lizard. There are even more lizards. Oopsie. I don't take a look if the purple lizard sees me, but he's on the ground, so I don't care about him. And this time this lizard is not in the water. Amazing. So, but I managed to enter the scary diving parts of this game. These are the easy parts, I can tell you. There are some parts that are really scary. This is one room. You have to crawl through this tunnel, go to the other side on this other tunnel, and oh, okay. First thing is gone, and there's the second thing. In the middle, these creatures are leeches. If the leeches are getting you, you are going to drown nearly immediately. And there's the last diving part in this room. This is really scary because you have to go all the way to the right, only to go all the way to the left, but I show it to you anyways, so up, go to the right, to the left, and out of the water. Oof, okay. Not a big problem. So, I don't need to dive again. The water part is over. So, quickly destroying my jump key again. Only to go up. Whoopsie. It was a bit too far. So, in this room it's getting a bit scary. I think it's the middle part. If you go even further to the middle, there's a plant. This plant is going to kill you. And as you can see, it's getting dark. It's getting really dark. Not only for me, for you too. But lucky for me, I have the safety stone. Keep the safety stone. But the problem is even the safety stone is not giving you any light. And now, whoops. And now, nobody can see anymore. Filtration system. This is the spot where it's getting really scary. Even my mask is not helping me. Because there are some lizards, some mole lizards is the name. There is, on the left side you see them. Now I need to pay. Now I need to be careful. He's crawling away. I need to follow him. Taking a quick look on the map. So what's happening right now? I don't see and hear any lizards anymore, so I say I'm completely fine. I take the wrong pipe. Oh! Classic mistake. How much time do I have? I have round about 2 minutes. In 2 minutes the rain is going to start. Whoa! What was it? There's a lizard. I poked the lizard. And I'm out of here. Ooh, this was scary. Okay, in the next room, I don't see any lizards. There's a lizard. It is like playing Pac-Man. And there I see a lizard on the left side. This is interesting. There are some lizards on the left side. Oh. Okay, this is interesting because you don't have... These lizards are not often in this room. But this is my entrance to the depths. And not going to fall. And it is time. The challenge is officially over. I can pause the game. In the middle top corner, in the middle of the screen, you can see the time, the in-game timer. 47 minutes, 35 seconds. I died 2 times. But yeah. I can technically, if I have some time left, I can end the game. I need about 7 minutes. But it is only some jump and run and say hello to funny creatures. It depends if I have the time, if the Tesh is giving me the time, I can go. Otherwise, okay. So. The question is, whoops, I don't need this mask anymore. Waiting for the team. Do I keep moving or? Ah, okay. So I have to say goodbye or? Okay. So, then thank you everyone for being here. Thank you for joining the event today. Thank you for all the donations. Tomorrow, when do we go? When do we start tomorrow? Wait, at 10 or 12?
12 a.m. with The Legend of the 12 Twilight Princess von Gies.
All right, you hear it. So.
Thank you very much, Syrilth, for the run from Wayne World. And yeah, we are going to the last run of the day with Risk of Rain 2 showing by Hanky No Artifacts.